Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux lab, and today for practice we try to understand the new topic, and the new topic I planned, that is parameter, that is the positional parameter. Okay, what are these positional parameter versus variables? Okay, variables basically we should say special. So we should say these are the special variables. So we try to understand what are these in the Linux system. Okay, so let's try to see. First of all, very important command in the Linux, that is set command. So set command, after that you can give the positions. Actually, this is only example here. You can give a hello sir, how are you? Okay, so these parameters or arguments will set, okay, on the command prompt here in the system. After that you will see what is happening here. Something happened. What is happened? That means these words are set up in the system as a position parameter. Okay, now how I can print this value? So first of all, I told you we can print with the help of echo dollar, and after then you will give the position. Okay, so let's see one. So first parameter will come out. Okay, let's go with the second. Here second, so second will come out, and try to do with the example 4. Okay, this is a fourth parameter will come out. I hope you can get it. So basically $1, $2, $4, these are reflecting right now the positions. That's why we say these are the positional parameter, so which is important to understand. So this is positional parameter. Okay, now there are some special variables. Okay, special variables which can help for which work with this parameter but something different meaning. So example here, hash, you will see the output here. So $hash, what does it give to me? That only 5. That means these are the 5 words. Please count it. These are the 5. Okay, now next, dollar at the rate of, here dollar at the rate of, like this. So what is the dollar at the rate of? That means all the positional parameter as a separate word. Let's see, can you see? It will give the same output after the set command. That means you can print the positional parameter with the help of dollar at the rate of. But keep in mind, these are, every word are the different, which is actually right now. Okay, and if you use a dollar star, it is the same output, but here you will see as a single string. So dollar star, that means all the positional parameter considered as a single string. Okay, single string mean to say, like here this is a single string. Okay, and here that means like this is a different. So in the case of at the rate of, you will consider as a different string, but in the case of dollar star, it should be the single string, the same, like this. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, now let's see what is this $0, because I show you the positional parameter $1, $2, but $0 will give me the bash. The command will give me the interpreter right now. Okay, so $0, but if it is a file, it will give you the script name or file name. Okay, so guys, this is basically the idea to use the parameters, and positional parameter and the special variables I show you. Okay, now let's try to see one more echo dollar dollar. The $2 will give me the actually bash bit id. So what is the bash bit id? This is the bash bit id. But if there is a file after it or the script, it will give the process id of the file as well. Right now this is a bash. So what is the bash bit? Is 10063. Okay, so that means this will give me the process id, and dollar question mark will give me the status of the last execution command. If it is successful, give you the 0. If it is unsuccessful, it will give the 1. Example here, you want to print example here, cat xyz, because I know xyz is nothing, so there is no such a directory. In that case, output can be 1. Okay, but if you will write a echo hello is printed, now output can be 0. That means successfully executed. Okay, I hope you can get it. So these are the basically special variables in the Linux system. Okay, now here one more, let's see, hello sir. Here you can write this will print, and one more special variables, it will give the 0 because it is okay. Now if you write a dollar underscore, then you will see it will give us the last argument of the previous command. Okay, last argument of the previous command is this, but right now I wanted to show you here once again. This is a good example. So last argument of the previous command is this word sir, so it is printed here. So this will, this parameter, this special variable will give you the last argument or last parameter of the string here. Okay, so if you want to print example here, explanation note here, this is one new special variable. Okay, that will give the, you will see here a PID number of the background here. Right now it is nothing right now, so it will give the blank here. Okay, and here if you want to go with the PID number of the bash, it will also give you here. Okay, this is the bash actually. So guys, I hope you can get it. So this is the basically some special variables and positional parameters. Okay, now here example I can write here set 10 20 30. So you want to print all numbers, so what you will do here, at the rate of, all the number will be printed. Now set command was this, and now set hyphen hyphen, this is called the reset. So if you do this, so now if you want to print, it is resetted. So if you want to reset the old positional argument, you can reset very easily. Okay, but after reset you can also give the new value, example 50 60 and 80. Now new value can be printed out. So practically this option set with the hyphen hyphen act as a reset, and reset plus new value, that's all. Okay, this is the way. Okay, now guys, let's try to create a short script which can show all the positional parameters or argument together. Let's see. You can create a script with your name. I can give cmd or something, and .sh, and very first line, what we do here, bin and bash. This is a shebang construct that will give us the help us to decide the interpreter. Okay, and give example set, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I have a 10 numbers. Okay, I can set in my script 10 numbers. Okay, right now what I wanted to do, I wanted to write here example dollar $1. Okay, so okay, I hope you can get it. Now what I wanted to do here, what I can write, let's try to add, so suppose this is the first parameter. Okay, So I just copy this line and I wanted to write here a little bit for this is second parameter and this is ninth parameter, and here this is the 10th parameter, just random, and this is example each as different. Here we can write each as same string, different strings, something like that. And here what we can do, if you want to do a separate words, separate strings, then we will use a at the rate of, and if it is the same then we use the star. Okay, and one more, total, we use a hash symbol here. Hash is here, right? It is good. And file itself name, then I think 0, and last we try to do example, let's say PID is a process ID, so this is okay. So see, this will show the second, and ninth will be here ninth, and just try to comment here right now. And let's try to see, it will be okay. And if you want to give the permission chmod u plus x ch. Okay, now what is the script name? cmd. Now we try to be execute the script here, and let's see, I found some output here. So let's try to see. Got it? I hope. I given actually 10 numbers. Okay, so first number is 1, this is true. Second number is also true, it's okay, and ninth number is also okay. So each, here you will see here, that means right now this output consider as a each number as a different string. Okay, but here it will be show as a same string. That means 1 to 10 is comes into the one string, and the total numbers are 10, it is true. And what is this cmd? This will give the file. Okay, and this is the PID number of your script actually. Now I want to show you the code of this script. Now please have a look of the code. Okay, so that means here this is the first number here. Okay, and this is the second number, second parameter or position actually. So this is the ninth. Okay, so the spell of ninth looks not okay. So what we can do here, we have to be fix it here. Okay, now please see here. So that means if I use a dollar at the rate of, that means each number, each position parameter as a different string. If I use a dollar star, that means each parameter comes under the same string. And dollar hash will give me the total arguments, and $0 give me the file name, script name. What is script name? cmd, it is here. And $, that will give me the actually PID number of the program or the script here right now. But little bit try to do understand, if I want to print the number 10, okay, because the reasonable or genuine range for positional parameter start from 1 to 10. So if you want to print 10, 11, 12 and onwards, then how we can do that? Let's try to Understand? Go to the script here again. So here you can write a 10th. So you will see here 10. Now can you realize here that means it looks a not a good right now, because this is a special meaning of the positional parameter, special variable. These are the positional parameter $1, $2, $9. So right now it is not good. Can you see it is not the same color we have? That means you want to use a this bracket. Okay, now it comes under the same color. That means now I can access this number. Okay, so let's try to see what happens if I will execute the script. So number 10 is also accessible. Okay guys, I hope guys you can get it. So basically these are the important positional parameter and the special variable into the Linux system. So let's try to conclude our session here. So today what we had understand the aim of the topic, what we're discussing about special variable and the parameters. We try to discuss what were the special variables, okay, which has a specific meaning in the Linux system to do specific task. That is a special variables. Okay, parameter mean to say command line argument or positions, something like that. So example here, I show you the example set. In the beginning we show, and then we discuss about the echo print the positional 0, 1, 2. So set hyphen hyphen can help us for resetting. So special variable I show you, like these are the special variable. The meaning is $0, name of the script or name of the interpreter I show you in the beginning. $hash is a total. $star mean to say as a single word all the positional parameter. Dollar at the rate of, that means a separate word all the parameters. And dollar question mark exit status will tell us actually. Dollar is the PID number. Dollar explanation note that show the PID of the background command actually. So but we had no background process, that's it was blank, but it is okay. Dollar underscore mean to say the last argument of the previous command. I show you in the example. So out of the limit, if we have a more than 9 number, then you can use this bracket, something like that. Okay. So guys, it was my plan for today discussing about the positional parameter and the special variables. Okay, so please try to do the good practicing, and if you have any question or query, please write in the comment section. I try to help you. So I will see you in my next lab with a new topic. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.